Hello students, last class we have discussed about the democracy. What is democracy? First we understood that. Then we have discussed about why democracy. Democracy is an important feature not only in India, all over the world. People see democracy as one of the very important parts of the system. So we have also discussed about the arguments that are in favor of democracy and the arguments that are against democracy. So now we are moving towards the end of the chapter, where yesterday we have just briefly discussed about this. Today we'll be talking in detail. One very famous cartoon is given here. अभी हम ये cartoon भी देखेंगे. We'll be seeing this cartoon also. It was by R.K. Lakshman. Okay, and he says 50 years of independence हमने कब मनाया था children? 47 में we got the independence, and 50 years कब हुए? Yes, you're calculating. Children, it's 97. 1997 we celebrated 50 years of independence. Very big time for us. Now, how many images on the wall do you recognize? Do many common people feel the way the common people in this cartoon does? Means a lot of just we will be just going through this cartoon, and we will be understanding what actually are the features, what actually are the things that are objectionable in a democracy. Just check, children. So many pictures are given here. If these pictures are of that time, 1997 के time का है children. So many leaders you won't recognize. मतलब I was there at that time, so I could recognize the political system that existed at that time. So this cartoon, first thing you need to understand is that R.K. Lakshman this is R.K. Lakshman. He always made his picture in this manner only, where he used to show himself as a common man. So he is the common man. He is listening. He is seeing the TV, and TV is talking about. देखो सामने में TV रखा हुआ है. You can see this television kept over here. Okay. So he is talking about industrial growth, economic progress, and what is he doing? क्या वो देख रहा है TV? No, he is sleeping. And that is what was the condition, that people talk about all kinds of progress through television, through many other ways, but in reality ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. लोगों को कुछ नहीं मिल रहा है. They are not under benefit. They are not getting what they want. That is what is explained here, children. Okay. आम आदमी खाली आंख बंद करा रहता है. मिनिस्टर्स अपनी बातें खाली कहते हैं, और मतलब रियलिटी में ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. Got it? It was just they were trying to explain it. Okay, children. Now, what we'll be seeing is the meaning of democracy. Okay, so we have also always understood democracy as a form of government, and we identify a clear set of, we know what are the major features of democracy, how does democracy function, and what are the major things which make democracy as important. Okay, हमने इन सारी चीज़ों के बारे में डिस्कस कर लिया है. Now we have understood minimal feature. Minimal means बहुत कम. Whatever we have studied about democracy till now, that is very less. That is not a complete thing. Most common form that we know about is, we take in our times, is that democracy is a representative democracy. Representative means people from all walks of life, people from all over. Different groups are there, and the kind of diverse culture that we have. Following that culture, we have given equal rights and equal privileges to all the groups that are there in our country, and that is how we are practicing democracy in a very proper manner. Got it, children? So that's why it is called as a representative democracy. Try to understand. That's why I've underlined it. Okay, children. Now what happened, wherever we call democracy, जहाँ भी हम democracy कहते हैं, all the people do not rule. Okay. Of course, no, everybody cannot. A majority people are allowed to take decisions on behalf of all the people. Means the people who are voting, जो voting कर रहे हैं, they are electing the leaders, and these leaders are representing the common people. गरीब आदमी में से ही कोई लीडर बनना चाहिए. Many people feel that. So now when they vote, they see what is the background of the leaders. Is the leader from a very rich family or very poor family? ऐसा लोग नहीं सोचते हैं. Means they look for a good leader. Okay. Even the majority does not rule directly. Suppose in India, the people who are following Hinduism, they are in majority. Are they ruling? No, it is nothing like that, children. Anybody who has taken the post of the prime minister or who is sitting on the topmost position, they are the people who are taking the major decisions. Okay. So now majority people rule through their elected representatives. Elections happen, and the people who win the elections, they go and sit in the parliament. So they are called as the elected representatives. Now just the explanation is given here that in the democracy, that is in the modern democracies, a large number of people, it is impossible. I mean, इतने सारे लोगों को एक साथ हम leadership नहीं दे सकते ना. It's physically impossible for them to sit together and take a collective decision. सारे लोग एक जगह बैठ के और डिसीजन लेंगे, इट इज़ प्रैक्टिकली नॉट पॉसिबल. ये ऐसा हो नहीं सकता है. गॉट इट. सो देयर आर इलेक्टेड रिप्रेजेंटेटिव्स. कुछ लोगों को वो इलेक्ट करते हैं जो कि जाके उनके बिहाफ पे डिसीजन लेते हैं. बट द पीपल हु आर इलेक्टेड, दे हैव टू ऑलवेज कीप इट इन माइंड दैट वॉट एवर डिसीजन दे आर टेकिंग, it should be favoring the common people. Even if they could, the citizen does not have the time. Just see, it is mentioned here. Even if they could, the citizen does not have the time, the desire or the skill to take part in all the decisions. हर एक डिसीजन में the citizens cannot be a part. Citizens can have elected their representatives, so their representatives are deciding everything on their behalf. किस तरह से रूल करना है, क्या डिसीजंस होने चाहिए. एंड एवरी टाइम दे एक्सपेक्ट, जैसे हम जब इलेक्शंस में वोट करते हैं, सो वी इलेक्ट अ लीडर. एंड व्हाट आर आवर एक्सपेक्टेशंस? वी ऑलवेज एक्सपेक्ट दैट द लीडर हु इज सिटिंग ऑन द टॉप मोस्ट पोजिशन और हु इज एट द प्राइम मिनिस्टर और द चीफ मिनिस्टर, दे शुड ऑलवेज डू सर्टेन थिंग्स और टेक सर्टेन डिसीजंस जो कि आम आदमी के फेवर में हो. ये नहीं कि आम आदमी हमेशा परेशान रहे. इट शुड नॉट बी लाइक दिस. सो हमको थोड़ा सा समझ में आता है. बाय ऑल दीज एक्सप्लेनेशंस वी अंडरस्टैंड मिनिमल. थोड़ा सा हम समझते हैं. अंडरस्टैंडिंग ऑफ डेमोक्रेसी इज देयर. सो एंड आफ्टर गोइंग थ्रू द चैप्टर वी वर एबल टू डिस्कस what is the difference between democracy and non-democracy. We have taken so many examples. Children, remember which all countries example we have taken? We have taken the example of Pakistan, we have taken the example of China. If you all remember, you can go through the chapter once more. So लेकिन whatever we have studied, उसमें we don't come to know about democracy and a good democracy. It does not allow us to see the operation of democracy beyond government. Means government अगर नहीं रहे, if democracy is not there, तो what are the methods of practicing? So we need to understand the broader meaning of democracy. Now children, when a question is asked, what is the broader meaning of democracy, you just can't write a government that is made for the people, of the people and by the people. Now if you write this explanation, your explanation would be wrong. फिर आपको लगेगा एक्सप्लेनेशन तो मैंने लिखा था, पता नहीं ये नंबर क्यों नहीं मिले. ओके. Now some statements are given here. I'll read it for you children so that you understand it properly. We are a very democratic family. Whenever a decision has to be taken, we all sit down and arrive at a consensus. My opinion matters as much as my father's. Means कहीं पे कोई बैठ के बातें कर रहा है, means there are some people who are sitting there and discussing that what actually democracy is. So one of the boys says we are a democratic family. घर से रिलेटेड कोई भी डिसीजन अगर लिया जाता है, हम सारे साथ में बैठते हैं, वी ऑल सिट डाउन एंड अराइव एट अ कंसेंसस. नाउ कंसेंसस मीन्स जहाँ सबकी मर्जी इन्वॉल्व हो. वी अराइव एट अ कंसेंसस एंड जितना मेरे फादर का ओपिनियन मैटर करता है उतना ही बाकी लोगों का ओपिनियन भी मैटर करता है. Means everybody is given a due chance and a due respect in democracy. That is what is important here. Then another statement is coming from somebody else. I don't like teachers who do not allow students to speak. Of course it's democratic. I always ask you ना बेटा, if you have any doubts please ask. ऐसा तो नहीं ना है कि मैं कहती हूँ don't ask any question, keep your mouth shut, sit down, चुप रहो, ऐसा नहीं कहती ना. I would like to have teachers with democratic temperament. Democratic means if the teacher gives a chance to every child to speak up. Got it? So these are some of the statements that people are discussing. साथ में बैठ के इसको discuss कर रहे हैं. Democratic temperament means everybody gets a chance to speak up. लिमिटेड पीपल और एक दो लोगों को ही चांस नहीं मिलना चाहिए बोलने के लिए, सबको चांस मिलना चाहिए. देन वन लीडर एंड हिज फैमिली मेंबर्स डिसाइड एवरीथिंग इन दिस पार्टी. हाउ कैन दे टॉक ऑफ डेमोक्रेसी? मीन्स अगर इफ somebody is leader and his family members are there, suppose a party is there and only one leader is there and his family members are there, they will only decide about the decision, about the party, about the democracy. बाकी के लोग कुछ भी नहीं बोलेंगे. So do you think it is a democracy? No, it is not like that. ठीक है. सो ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड चिल्ड्रन. अभी ये जो तीनों स्टेटमेंट्स थे इससे आपको डेमोक्रेसी के बारे में यू आर गेटिंग सर्टेन आइडिया. Now broader meaning में we are talking about it examples, because political science na children, we just there, it's nothing formula, no theory, nothing calculations, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. You are talking about the society in general. We are talking about the complete sociology or the social pattern that exists in the society. How does it function? हम उसके बारे में बातें कर रहे हैं. So when we talk about such things, a democratic decision may we need to consult with and consent of all those who are affected by the decision. We have to take the decision of all the people who are there in democracy. Okay, like a government or a family or any other organization. Means if a decision is taken, it cannot be taken where it is favoring only one or two people or a group of people. The decision that is taken, it should affect each and every person in the democratic system that is there. Okay, so democracy is also a principle that can be applied to any sphere of life. Some people just can't discuss and stop talking about democracy. No, everybody is affected by the decisions that are taken. So we have to see that proper decisions are taken where everybody is given a true chance or given the due respect. Okay, now some more statements are there children. जस्ट सी ब्रॉडर मीनिंग ना, हम इसको डिटेल में डिस्कस कर रहे हैं. True democracy will come to this country only when no one goes hungry to bed. Now, everybody has different explanation to democracy. Some people are saying कोई भी भूखा नहीं रहना चाहिए. अभी भूख से डेमोक्रेसी का क्या लेना देना है? But explanation says that if we are in a real manner, when we discuss about democracy, we have to see and we have to check that nobody goes hungry to bed. Another point that is important is every citizen must be able to play equal role in decision making. Whatever decisions are taken, everybody should be given a proper chance. All the citizens should have equal information, basic education, equal resources, and lot of commitment. Broader sense of democracy, children try to understand. Democracy का मतलब ये नहीं कि सबको खाना मिलना चाहिए. Democracy has other meanings as well. Everybody should have equal information, basic education, मतलब everybody should have equal education facilities also, na? Right to vote also, and a lot of commitment. Now, so if we understand all these points, अगर हम ये सारे points को अच्छे से समझने की कोशिश करें, try to understand this, children. So if we are taking it seriously, then no country in the world is a democracy. Yet, if we understand the ideal remains as we have, why we value democracy. Now, the statements that were given, those statements explained what is the gist of democracy, what is the basic idea of democracy. So it reminds that why we should value democracy, because in democracy people have got equal rights, equal chance of speaking, equal chance of voting, खाने को मिलता है, रहने को मिलता है. Everybody has got an equal and fair chance to earn money and have a proper living condition. And we have to identify its weaknesses also. Everything is not goody na. Matlab, if you are staying in a democracy, everything is happening in a very proper manner. It is not possible, practically not possible. So थोड़ी बहुत डेमोक्रेसी, बहुत कम, मिनिमल. अभी आई डिस्कस द मीनिंग ऑफ दिस वर्ड, मिनिमल डेमोक्रेसी एंड अ गुड डेमोक्रेसी. तो expanded notion of democracy बहुत ज़्यादा we are not studying here. Next year again, children, you have to study about democracy. I'm talking of 10th, I'm talking of boards में आपको डेमोक्रेसी का असली मीनिंग अगर आपको समझना है तो यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड द रियल सेंस एंड रियल एसेंस ऑफ डेमोक्रेसी. So we will be talking about institutional, I'm sorry, we will be talking about institutional features of democracy. And next year what will happen, we will be again studying more about democratic society, ways of evaluating our democracy. I mean, why democracy is important and what are the ways and means through which we can imply democracy or we can apply democracy in any country. Okay, these things we will be studying in the next year, children. This year we are studying about what actually democracy is. So many dialogues were there, so many conversations were there, and these conversations have clearly explained what is democracy, arguments for democracy and arguments against democracy. And here we need to understand that democracy is applied at many places, many spheres of life, and democracy can take many forms. बहुत तरीके से हम डेमोक्रेसी को एक्सप्लेन करते हैं. Sorry, children. There are we take decisions in a democracy. When we take decisions, we have to see that everybody's rights are maintained and everybody is given equal chance. Then basic principle of consultation is there. We consult. Consultation means we discuss simple things also with many people. एक आदमी खाली डिसीजन नहीं लेता है. So that also improves in decision making. And most common form of democracy is, बार बार आ रहा है ये चीज़ चिल्ड्रन, कुछ चीज़ों को अगर याद कर लोगे ना, यू कैन आंसर इट एनीवेयर. Rule through people's elected representatives. So, we will read more about democracy in chapter 3. But try to understand that suppose there is a small community. So, there can be other ways of taking democratic decisions. स्मॉल कम्युनिटी है तो कभी कभी वो बहुत बहुत ज़्यादा स्ट्रिक्ट होते हैं. दे आर वेरी स्ट्रिक्ट विद देयर रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशंस. देयर आर पंचायत्स आर देयर. पंचायत्स आर एट अ वेरी स्मॉल लेवल and the panchayats and the panch who are there in the panchayats at times are very important. वो जो बोल देते हैं पूरा गांव उसको फॉलो करता है. These makes the decision making very important. All the people can sit together and take decisions directly. Just now that I was discussing, इसमें one example is given here about Gram Sabha. Democratic ways of decision making का आप देखो. ग्राम सभा वी हैव डिस्कस्ड. ये तो क्लास 6 में यू माइट हैव स्टडीड अबाउट ग्राम पंचायत एंड ग्राम सभा. तो कैन वी थिंक ऑफ सम अदर एंड न्यू वे ऑफ डेमोक्रेसी? आपने कभी देखा है आपके गांव में कोई अलग रूल फॉलो होता हो? यू वी कैन डिस्कस अबाउट दैट ऑल्सो. वो भी हम डेमोक्रेसी में काउंट कर सकते हैं. ओके चिल्ड्रन. सो हियर वी अंडरस्टैंड दैट देयर इज डेमोक्रेसी बट नो कंट्री इज अ परफेक्ट डेमोक्रेसी. फीचर्स ऑफ डेमोक्रेसी वी डिस्कस्ड, अभी हमने देखा इसमें. एंड minimum conditions of democracy, I mean how democracy is practiced, why democracy is practiced, we have discussed about it previously. अभी हमने इन सब चीज़ों को डिस्कस किया है. I mean in the previous topics children we have already discussed it. So what are the ideal ways where democracy is there and where democracy is not there? And democratic decision making means decisions whatever asked is taken. अब suppose if Parvez Musharraf is taking the decision, only he is the one who is taking the decision, बाकी किसी से वो डिस्कस नहीं कर रहे हैं, अपनी मनमानी कर रहे हैं. Can it be a real democracy? No, it is not a real democracy. So we need to understand that how to save and strengthen democratic forms of decision making. More and more people can be taking decisions and making decisions. How is it possible? So we have to see that as citizens what is our duty in a democratic system. The strength and the weakness of democracy we have already discussed. And we cannot say कि democracy is there, so the people who are the rulers or the people who are making the government, they are the only one who will decide the future of the country. No, as citizen हमारे भी कुछ फर्ज होते हैं बेटे. It is our duty also to see that democracy is functioning properly, because the leaders who are elected, they are not elected on their own. It is we who go for the voting. हम जाके वोट करते हैं तब कहीं लीडर्स एलेक्ट होते हैं. So when we are electing the leaders, so we have to see that the leaders who are elected are very well, they are ruling properly and they are taking all the decisions in our favor. वो अपनी मनमानी नहीं कर रहे हैं और हमारी खुशियों के लिए काम कर रहे हैं. तो while electing the leaders we have to be very alert and we have to be very sure that who are the leaders whom we are electing. So now we know about the democracy. What were the major features through which we have distinguished, I mean we have compared one form of government to the other form of government. Other form of government में children, what were the different forms of government? Do you remember? Here it is given. एक तो मोनार्की होता है, डिक्टेटरशिप होता है, वन पार्टी रूल होता है. All these are, when democracy is not there, then these things are there. So under these circumstances, how do the citizen live and what are the problems that they face, that is very clearly mentioned here. So most non-democratic governments that are there would like citizen not to take part in politics. They should not take part in politics. Means, of course, in democracy, until and unless the citizens participate, nothing can go further. मतलब आगे का कुछ भी नहीं हो सकता है अगर आम आदमी साथ में काम नहीं करेगा तो. But other than democracy, it is seen that participation of all the citizen is important, and that is why we study democracy and we must focus on democratic politics. So children, we have completed this first chapter of your Paul science. Okay, certain important things were there. Now here one activity is there, children. नहीं अभी करना नहीं है इसको. You don't have to do it. I'm just saying these kind of many activities are there in between the chapter. जब चैप्टर है तो उसके बीच में इस तरह की जो एक्टिविटीज़ हैं, these activities are very important. You just need to go through these activities once, because might be अभी हम ये activity नहीं कर रहे हैं, but it is possible that we do this activity further. For while completing the chapter, while going through the chapter, we have to see that we are doing these activities. अब ये क्या है? Find out the total number of eligible voters in your assembly constituency, your parliamentary constituency. How many people can fit into the largest stadium in your area? Is it these are the questions that we will be discussing in the class. Okay children, or whoever teacher is there, they can discuss these questions in the class. Okay, now in the previous pages also we have seen certain, let me see if there are more activities. Some very interesting activities are also there children, जिसको करने में बहुत मज़ा आएगा. अब just see, ये हमने पहले भी किया था. विच ऑफ द टू डू यू अग्री एंड वाई? राजेश एंड मुजफ्फर. ओके, तो आप एक बार इसको देख सकते हो. Now just see, I told you na, these cartoon characters which are there, very funny cartoon characters are there. What would happen if India was not a democracy? Could we have stayed together as a single nation? तो certain questions that come to the children's mind, मतलब आपके दिमाग में भी ये सारे questions आ सकते हैं बच्चों. So you can definitely discuss these questions. Very beautiful cartoons are given here. You go through these cartoons also and get because what happens is कि now board has said that we will be discussing it. We will be discussing these cartoons also through pictographic questions. मीन्स पिक्चर दे देंगे, उसके बाद आपसे पूछेंगे कि व्हाट इज़ द मीनिंग ऑफ दिस कार्टून. ओके, देन व्हाट डिड यू अंडरस्टैंड बाय दिस? ये वन वेरी नाइस, दिस इज देयर. आई थिंक द कैमरा हैज स्टॉप्ड. Children, ये एक दिया हुआ था. We although I have discussed it in one of my videos, but I would like you to do it in your notebook. So I am just telling you, just go through this and complete it in your notebook. Children, I am stopping here. In the next video we will be discussing the question answers. Okay children, so thank you so much and all the best to you.